Hello guys, so today we'll be playing Cabin Crew, and so this is my other account because, well, my main account got hacked, and if you guys remember him from the last video, it's 2015 got hacked.
Which is a long time ago, probably, I don't know.
It's like 2 months ago.
Maybe. Oh, okay.
So now we're flying the A380, and this guy decides to make China Eastern flippin' obese.
Because I like China Eastern.
I'm speechless right now. Why the hell would you? Yo, they got a CRJ. No,
I'm out the plane.
No. You remember what happened last time to me? I got stuck outside the plane. Do they have
I'm going to rescue.
Do they have a banana plane here?
No!
Do they have a banana plane here?
No, they don't have banana plane. But I'm going outside again.
How do you climb onto the plane? You can't. It's impossible. It's impossible. What?
Don't remind me.
I never want to have business. Don't try to
find me.
Do you really? They're probably like,
I could get something ready when I be.
Find somebody else and you ready to out there. Don't fret. Wait, Albert. What if we just stay on here until we take off?
What?
What if we stay outside until we take off? Cause last time I got stuck outside and then I got dragged along with the plane.
No, you stay outside. You stay outside. And you go in.
Alright, I swear if you shut the door on me, I'm coming in. Ah!
Did it shut the door on you?
I teleported in somehow. Hold on, let me back out.
Oh, damn.
I'm going back outside.
Quickly, boy.
Hold on. I'm out. Shut the door. Wait, let me in! Let me in! Little bro's like, nah, I'd win. Let me in, please. My mom is kind of homeless.
What do you mean about close all doors?
I got teleported inside the cabin.
Yay.
When? I got
They're
teleported.
taking the new China Eastern Airlines A380 is gonna take off.
Yeah, we're currently pushed back in. Are they supposed to shut the door here?
They already shut the door, boy.
No, at the gate. At the bridge. On the jet bridge.
Yo, they won't shut the door.
I see your plane right now.
It's not work like that.
My free cam's at spawn and I see one person.
I'm coming. Don't fret. I never want to hear. Never want to see you again.
Hey, why are you sitting on my seat? Why are you sitting in my seat, Joe?
Why are you running?
Why are you sitting in my seat, Mari?
And why are you running?
There's no.
Get out my seat.
Why are you sitting in my seat, John? Oh, finally.
And stop running. Did you left?
No, I'm in the plane. Totally. I'm totally in the plane.
What the fuck?
Albert, no cussing allowed. This is a family-friendly content.
Hello, I saw you.
Are you good?
Hello, I saw you.
Hello, Albert kisses dead people. I'm gonna go back to the airport. I don't want to stay here.
Wait, what?
I want to go back to banana plane. I want to fly banana plane. My dad has never flown banana plane.
I have never flown banana plane. My dad has flown banana plane.
Oh! Banana plane!
Oh,
Well, never mind. It's not a banana plane. It's Suns.
bruh. Son, I love your dad.
Why is my camera shaking? Is that our plane? Oh, there we go. Why is it shaking?
Kind of a rough takeoff. Rough takeoff. POV when I saw this time was just gonna AFK for now.
Oh my. Why is it dark? Turn the damn lights on, bro. Mommy, Daddy. Oh! Can someone turn the lights on? Thank you. I'm gonna go steal his feet. Oh, Alberti. FBI, open up! I'm taking Joe's seat. Albert, everyone can hear your thing.
Okay.
Albert, stop.
Okay, poop. Too poor.
Too poor. Too poor is insane.
Too poor. Too poor.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin our in-flight service. Our crew will be coming through the cabin with food and beverages.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any trash. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will now begin our in-flight service. Our crew will be coming through the cabin with food and beverages.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any trash. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be happily munching on my feet. Totally. Bro, why are people cursing this lobby? Are you
What?
Are you saying that a wing fell off? Did you see the wing fall off? Did you see the wing fall off? Okay, I'm gonna jump in the cockpit. I'm jumping in the cockpit.
Hey, no going in the cockpit.
Cockpit, you mean?
Is safest. How?
Wait, pretend I hijacked it. Get out. Albert, just get out. Albert, just get out. Just Albert.
No!
No, Albert, Albert, me and you both leave the cockpit. Me and you both leave the cockpit and then we just don't come in anymore, okay? How about that? Come out.
Fly the plane! I'm Mr. Flyer!
I'm Mr.
Fly the plane!
I'm gonna crash the plane.
Hey,
Ew!
the door! We need privacy!
Ladies and gentlemen, say your last final words because we're about to crash. Beep, 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 beep. Turn that frown upside down. Turn that smile upside down. Turn Albert's booty hole into cheeks. Alright, shall we go back into cabin? I'm going back in cabin. Why is your worker so slow?
It's slower than you.
Shut.
No, at least it's better than you. It can do worse for me.
You're saying I'm lazy, little bro? That's mean AF.
Wait, why in the world is... Why? I pull 100 leg room and they don't even get any leg room. Why?
What do you mean? Oh my god.
Look, I pull 100 leg room and they don't even get a leg room. Why?
A lot of leg room. No leg. Albert, did you put full Wi-Fi on this plane? Did you put a lot of Wi-Fi?
Or business class and first class. Yeah.
Where's the first class at? Where's the business? But why are they watching Frozen? Let it go. Let it go.
I want to let it go.
Yo, chat.
Little bro, just
Yo, chat, I'll be giving away a legendary key bundle in Rivals. If any of you like and subscribe and comment done, I'll be picking the top 5 comments.
And also, if you like to subscribe to Ethan_the_best, you can also maybe get on display. We will pick 2 random subscribers.
All you gotta do is just like and subscribe and comment down me and your username.
Your name.
And whoever's the top 2 comment, just send us your Discord and you'll be able to fly with us. Why is a kid sitting here? Kid, go back to your seat. You deserve economy food.
I'm having popcorn right now. Hello.
You're not in economy? Yo, bro, I'm not in
I'm
economy.
gonna go check out the lounge.
Little bro's like, nah, I have fruit punch. Speaking of that, I'm kind of craving fruit punch.
I'm just getting one of my sodas. Oh, you might be wondering, how can a China Eastern airline have a lounge in the back?
They have it by having it. Oh my god! No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go mix myself some hot cocoa. Yeah, I should. What is that?
Let me ask you.
Yo, do 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 do. When are we landing? Your mama died. I'll wait for this. Are they done serving? Please, speed, I need this. Bro, they've only served 291 people. Should I put the seatbelt sign on? The cabin is blue.
No. I didn't try out. Oh, I didn't.
Yo, Albert.
What?
I just want to scroll.
Try it. You don't have to try it out. Well, I didn't try it out. She asked me to be my mom, so she told me that it was gonna be my 11th.
We're gonna do Stell Lemons later too.
Wait. Is everyone served yet?
No, only 300 people are. Why am I jumping? It looks like I just got possessed. $300 people. We need 99.98 people. 96. No. 97, 96. 95. Alright, guys. Bro, this thing's taking forever. I'm just laying on the ground.
Yes, it is. Like, why? When the serving didn't get stopped? So, guys, right now we're gonna go AFK for some time.
I can't even hop on YouTube. I don't want them to see my subscribers or anything. Or my revenue. Guys, my streaming will be available on streaming will be available on 8/31st of 2032. So, stay tuned for streaming in 6 years.
What? I mean, it's a what?
400? Not yet. I'm going to sleep. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. It also saw if it saw. Will anyone. Bro, Albert.
What?
You don't know my audio.
Oh my god.
Give me a sec.
Yeah, right. Ugh, I'm dying. Guys, should I use my PlayStation? Bro! 352.
Why is this taking forever?
This is taking like 20,000 years right now. I'm laying on the floor dying. And starving. Totally. How do you say it? Totally or totally? I forgot. I haven't spoken English in like a day. We'll invite one lucky subscriber to one of our birthday party. Or no, I'm just kidding. We're lying. And guys, just please ignore the sound in the back. Where am I? I'm going back to sleep. Yo, Albert. Would you mind to see what my sister is playing?
What is she playing?
Would you like to see? Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see, please? Just press invite friends. Just search frog. In the
There's no invite friend.
If you press the Roblox logo on the top left corner, there's a button that says invite friends.
Okay.
And then search frog.
Which frog?
Frog. Miranda 22759.
Bro, is it midnight?
Yeah, midnight. I thought.
He's online.
What is she? Oh my gosh, she's not playing. I heard something about Arena. Bro! 384. Would you like to see what time it is?
And what?
It's 9 a.m. We've been in the air for a whole day. I'd rather die then.
Can you literally help me serve?
Oh, you're serving?
Yeah.
Wait, so you're the only one who has been serving?
Yeah, duh.
I thought the flight attendants were,
Yeah, they're helping me.
but they're too slow.
At least they're helping.
400. Oh, okay, we need 22 more. $20 more. I don't see anyone. Alright, so 12 more. 11, 10. 9, 8. 7, 6. 5, 4. 3, 2, 1. Done!
Finally.
Oh my god, bro, jeez! That took 2 hours. Oh,
Oh my god.
Bro, can I claim trash from upstairs? I
Oh my
can't.
god.
We're almost done, damn. Oh my god. Bro, we're cleaning up so much people.
Mm-hmm.
Bro. Someone little.
夏天到了，又来了。如果过段时间你遛完狗以后，
You're stealing my trash.
叫
Who?
Oh, we're done. Bro, what is going on? $45 more. $40. $35.
Is everyone in their position? Oh my god, may you put your seatbelt? Bam bam.
They're so fast. They're so
Oh my
fast.
flipping god, sir. Sir?
25.
Miss? Boy? Baba boy?
Bro, get out.
Baba?
21.
Bibi Lamu?
19.
13?
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Come on. 1. Please. Yeah, fine.
We are landing right now.
This
We
video,
are finally landing now.
bro, this took so long. This took like 20 minutes or whatever. I don't know.
It's
Put the landing gear down. Stupid. Oh my god, finally. We've been in the air for like a day now. We are coming in for a landing. Bro, what? Oh my, why is there crosswind? Flipping crosswind at the worst time.
alright, nice on the line, nice.
That's a smooth landing. Can you skip the taxi?
Alright, but No, we're gonna have a water salute.
But can we just please skip it?
No, I'm not skipping my water salute.
Fine.
Or a water salute because this is the China Eastern's first flight to Santorini. Let's see, where's our gate?
Nah, bro.
Oh, it's close. It's close. And why do you have air stairs?
Oh, I see our gate. Water!
是你的妈妈，我是我一直多少次，其实我要回答。
I got wet.
I also got wet. So later on, I think we're gonna do this at 7:47, right?
No, the video's done here.
Okay. I'm gonna go outside and see this plane.
I'm. Alright, guys, that's gonna be the end of our video, and thank you for me and Albert for letting us be a part of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one, in the next video.
All right, see ya later. Bye.